Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. And I'm taking an example from your textbook. The example is the political party affiliation of the student in an introductory statistics class is given in the following table. We are asked to construct a pie chart. So these are the responses from the students regarding their political party affiliation. D stand for Democrat, R stand for Republican, and O stands for other. How we make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel? I show you now. We open Microsoft Excel, and what I have done here, I have already copied all the responses from the student in this column, right? And the name of the column is a party, the name of the political party, and I have stored all these values in these rows. These are 40 observations, right? So what the first you need to do is to make a frequency distribution uh, for a pie chart. You need to make a frequency distribution. If you directly try to make the pie chart, the Microsoft Excel will not help. So you need to make a frequency distribution, which means that you need to give the each category and how many times it occurs. That's a frequency. If you have this, now you can start the chart. So you select this and go to insert and go to this chart and select the pie chart. Here is the pie chart. So this is the pie chart for this data. It's a qualitative data. I hope you know that. And this is the pie chart. And this is a live chart. Example, what I mean by that. If you change this information, let's say you make it is 18 to 28, this piece of a pie will increase. Right? So you see the Republican portion increases accordingly. So you can do a lot with this chart. You can make this a different color. You can give it, you can separate the portion. You can make it one. There are so many things you can do. You can change the title. You can change the color and the orientation of the legend. So many things you can do, but that's not my topic. My topic was just to tell you how to make a